I'm the man and I'd actually get shit done. Underneath the trunk, we'll paint black like my car. Alright, episode 10. We primered everything that I had in this batch. Pretty much the whole kit, mirrors, and yeah, that's about it. We're gonna go store this right now up top. I'm gonna let it sit for a few days before I wet sand it. For the most part, it's dry to the touch pretty well and stuff. We were fighting rain when we primered this. Yeah, but it came out pretty decently. I had to primer some customer stuff. Alright, so the kit had a lot of bodywork. This bumper was it was fiberglass. It was a typical piece of shit, but for the most part the shape of it was good. So took a few days of bodywork, but it came out really well actually. As you can see, the corner lights side markers got illuminated. There was like a lot of little trimming and stuff I had to do. I shaved this license plate so it's just flat, and I left Nissan there. When it gets all blocked down and stuff, I mean it's fiberglass, it's still gonna be wavy, but it should be a really good candidate for this car. Yeah. Side skirts. Mark's Chucky side skirts were in horrible shape. They're in a little bit better shape now, but they're still definitely going to be wavy. And the reason for that is because I didn't care to go all super duper crazy on them, because I didn't use fuser or anything. I just used Bondo, and it's gonna blow up. It'll explode. And the rear bumper right here, there wasn't much bodywork to do in here. All we did was we just feathered Bondo. Oh, we feathered up a little bit better, and then we just feathered with Bondo here because it had like a lip before. And then up top over here, it was like I like to say cottage cheese. It was like a cottage cheese effect. It was gross. So I kind of skim coated that too, and then blocked it down a little bit, fixed some damage on it, and it's alright. It's acceptable. Still have the rest of the car to do body work on, but I think I'm gonna try to get this stuff all to the paint booth and spray it before this whole car is sprayed, just so it can be drying and stuff, and it's out of the way. Overall, primer and body work turned out a-okay. We're gonna go ahead and clean up the shop because it's a mess again. And then we'll go on from there. We'll see what we're doing. surface. Now I'm just gonna skim coat it. I hammered out any like little dings or I guess creases, anything that happened during the rolling and pulling part. So now it's a pretty good, like really good surface, not really dinged up or anything if you run your hand across it, but with the color that we're going, you definitely see like a little wave or something, a little imperfection. So we're gonna skim coat it with Bondo, and yeah, let's get to applying. Bondo here because there was just like this little weird crease looking thing, so I tapped it down and just making sure I can smooth it out.
Memories of the prime make life seem so strange.
Block this side down, and I'm just gonna skim coat it with some lightweight filler. Overall, it's just a super thin skim coat on here. I just want to feather it in a little better, and there's some imperfections and stuff. So I tapped down a few sections, a few little high spots to make it skim in a lot better, and yeah. After that, we'll pull it off, sand it all, and primer it. I put on spot putty just to fill in any pinholes and stuff, because this side turned out pretty good. It didn't need another layer or anything. So I'm just going over, scratching off. Realistically, primer should cover all the pinholes and stuff, but I'm just doing this to be cautious. Make it easier on sanding.
Since I've been gone, you good?
Huh? Alright, so Mark was gone. He was shooting some stuff for clients. While he was not here, I was waiting for Bondo to dry up on the fenders, so I started messing with the hood. The hood was dinged up here because of rock chips. It was actually really dinged up. So I just lightly skim coated everything that needed to be skim coated. I and then I had to pull 3 dents out here. I was able to tap 2 of them out, and I had to pull 1 with the stud puller. These dents, they were from my cat. He's not even, I like disowned him after the first time that he did this. But yeah, so I pulled those dents out. Again, I grinded down underneath, skim coated it. I'm hoping that tomorrow, next episode, I'll be able to primer these. This fender is pretty much done. I just put a little bit of putty in the, and then I got started on the door. Driver's side door. This needed to be skimmed. There was a light little ding here, and then this was a really small dent that I skimmed too. So yeah, hopefully we can get the rest of this car done within the next week of bodywork, and then I don't know when it'll get sprayed, but we have to get it into a running state anyways. So yeah, I'm done for the day. It's already like 8 or something, so I'm gonna head out.
So my front and rear is gonna be for doink-a-doinks, dude. Yes, sir. It's a butt.
You are down for the good time, and you spent your change.